Hi friends, my name is Evgeny Epstein. I'm from Yuzhno-Sakhalinsk, a town in the far eastern part of Russia, and this is week 4 peer review assignment for the Introduction to Music Production class at Coursera.org. I use Cocos Reaper digital audio workstation, and today I will try to demonstrate how to use a compressor plugin in a corrective and creative way. Here I have a bass line and a couple of guitar tracks. So let's listen to the demo section. Now the bass playing solo. I feel the bass sound somewhat shallow, and there is a string level jump when I move my fingers to the thinner strings. Trying to rectify this situation, I have played a bit with a compressor plugin. Why do I need a compressor? Because it allows to decrease the parts above a certain threshold, reducing the unwanted dynamic range. So I add a compressor plugin. As you can see, it is a multi-band compressor, so it compresses various frequency bands independently. With this built-in spectrum analyzer, I can isolate the band where the unwanted amplitude change occurs. To save time, I have prepared a preset in advance. As you can see, I have deleted the excessive bands. And in the band that interests me, I have adjusted the threshold level, the compression ratio, which turned out to be more in the limiting domain. The attack and the release are pretty much default. I have disabled the unpredictable auto makeup gain and set out the manual gain to the level that I found nice while listening to the demo section. As for the first, the lower band, the compression there is very slight to even it out a bit, and the gain adjustment makes almost all the work, turning the process more like into equalizing. Now let's compare the sound with and without the effects, solo and with guitars. So I believe I have reached my goal of evening out the sound of an instrument using a compressor and making it a bit more pushing. It seems that the job is done. I hope it was informative and not very boring. If you have any comments or suggestions that may help me to improve, feel free to express them. Thank you and goodbye.